A nice combination of cooked peppers is chopped bell pepper, chopped garlic, and a spice, maybe turmeric, if that's what you're interested in. You can start by heating a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Not too much, just enough that it'll be able to cook the peppers. And as the pan gets heated, you can start toasting. The spices. In this case, I'm using a bit of turmeric. And it'll take some time for this to get heated and toasted. When your pan is as hot as you want it, then you put in your peppers. Then you want to toss and fry your chopped pepper for a few minutes until it's as soft as you want it. And stirring doesn't have to be constant. Give some time for the peppers to soften and cook.